nickel in my pocket and a busted silver locket that I bought for my gal in Boston. Well, it rains on me in the evening when I'm under the ceiling. Leaves me beaten down, busted, rattled, and a reeling. Get yourself an umbrella if you wanna be my fella. The rain keeps raining on me. Except the janitor that said he's from Harlem. Well, it rains.